Alright guys, here we are at Carson's beautiful Porsche Macan and his insane system. Carson, what are you doing here? You are our second youngest competitor.
Yep.
You didn't win the title. Last year, just so some people understand, Carson came in with this car. Many people know you from Instagram and TikTok and whatnot as what?
Stagsaudio.
There you go. So he came in, he had a half-finished system last year, and everybody was surprised when they asked you about how young you were and how on earth you learned all of this that young. And here you are a year later with currently, like, we can call it a finished system.
Yeah, it's finished.
It's finished, in a finished state. Let's see what we have right now. So explain to us, please.
So we still have the same sub, acoustic elegance 15, an IV poured out through the trunk.
Okay.
We have 4 Mosconis, 2 410s, 2 110s. Each 110 powers the subs, the front subs an SP acoustic 10-inch, and then 4-channel does the front end, and then the other 4-channel does the mid bass right now.
Okay. Very easy layout. It couldn't be easier to service this current
it's
layout.
Very simple.
So if we are here, then I'd rather ask you at this time about the changes you are planning, because you will have big changes.
Yeah.
You will
So
yeah.
we're getting rid of this amp, the 4-channel, and we're going with 6 of the Micro Precision 7 series, and then 1 of the DC.
Are you going to keep everything underneath?
Yep.
Oh.
So these are actually made.
I got
This
you.
is
I see.
designed for it.
Leveled.
So they literally just go right on top here.
Yeah, because you have an extra inch above those amplifiers.
Yep.
You will need some circulation for sure.
Yeah, it's definitely gonna get hot underneath this panel.
But
The
that's
plan
going
is
to
to
look
make a
very
new
sweet.
beauty panel, and it'll be open and it'll be displayed.
Yes, and then you can also make something pretty that will blend together with the sub, and yeah.
Yeah, it'll look good.
So people also understand what's happening with this sub, because some people have never seen your car or your famous social channels. What is this here that we see? Is it a
So-
box?
I made a manifold and basically just poured it out through the bumper.
I may have to go to the other side and then show it from here to people. So when Carson says manifold, you can see the battery and the space underneath it. It's very shallow, and there's an outlet towards the rear bumper where the sub breathes out to, and that's how this application becomes infinite baffle.
Yeah, there's a battery right underneath this, which is why I
Yeah.
couldn't.
From this angle, people can just about see the battery right there. All right, so let's go to the front and see.
Actually, I do have in this compartment. This is where
Oh yes, the DSP, what we haven't
DSP
seen.
is.
You're
Small
right.
electronics.
That's where you have the DSP Pro currently and some electronics. Yeah,
Yep.
correct. Very easy. It's great that you have all that space in this car.
Yeah, it works. It works well.
Okay, let's go to the front and see what happened here. Okay. Tell us everything.
So we have the AMTs on the A-pillar. We have the Accuton mid-range in the dash. And I have the 10-inch SB acoustic front sub. And then we have the 6.5 Accutons in the kicks and sealed enclosures.
So that's the crazy thing. People wouldn't really realize what's happening there, because that panel looks very factory. What's the story about that? How did that go?
Yeah, Matt Kim designed a mount for me, and it worked really well in the kick. We had a panel right below the driver and then right above the driver, and it basically was a sealed cavity in there. So we just put the speaker in there.
Okay. You
Yeah.
didn't have to relocate fuse boards,
Nothing.
anything like that?
Nothing.
Just some cables.
There was just cable plugs in the way, and we just pushed them away. And
Very nice. Very
had enough
nice.
room.
Some people maybe remember that you had a front sub in the glove box as well before,
Mm-hmm.
and then you changed that now over there.
Yep, it is firing at the firewall now.
So you lost a tiny bit of
A little
footwell
bit,
space,
not much.
but it's not bad. You can still rest your foot on it. It's a really good angle.
Yeah.
And then the mid bass is not covered too much, maybe 1/3, so it can still play through the grill. It's
Yeah.
perfectly fine.
Yeah, it works good.
Did you have to pull the dash out?
Yeah, I've had this dash out more than 5 times, I would say.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
But you did your homework, you know how to do that.
Yeah, I could take this dash out now and probably 3 hours maybe.
And then you also managed to find now a really good matching color.
Yeah, much better than before.
For the pillar. Okay, so that's the freeway front sub and rear sub at the moment. Source situation.
So we have the radio, just an upgraded radio for the Macan, with that player, and Bluetooth is what I can use.
Yeah, you have multiple options.
Yeah.
So you can use streaming services on this, as well as downloaded stuff, and then all your playlists are here. Yeah, very easy to operate. And then you were really lucky with that controller location, weren't
very
you?
easy.
What was here before?
It was just a cigarette lighter.
Perfect. So you didn't even have to cut anything, just take it out, drop this one in.
Just dropped right in.
Lucky. Yeah, this is an amazing car. And many people should hear it because it's already showing great things. And for a first-time competitor, it's honestly, it's crazy achievement at that age. So I'm proud of you, kid.
Thank you.
We want to see where you're gonna be in 10 years. It's gonna be frightening. We all go home. We don't compete anymore. Screw that. Amazing. Thank you, Carson.